In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more weapons here in Rivals on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up the weapons menu just like so. So find weapons down from the main menu, select it, and you can check to see which weapons you currently have unlocked. If you scroll through here and you see anything that doesn't have a lock next to it, that means it is going to be unlocked for you. Now the main way to get new weapons itself is by using keys. So if you select a thing, you'll see you can unlock it for a certain amount of keys down in the bottom right, and you can get keys by completing tasks. To actually see how you can get keys the quickest, you can just open up this task menu and you can see, oh, here's what I need to do in order to unlock those keys. Most of these are pretty easy to go ahead and do, and they reset every single day, so it's worth knocking out. You can also get these through the battle pass as well. The more matches that you play and win, the faster you can, level up and earn those rewards. You can also go into the shop as well and purchase keys if you want to just kind of skip through the process. But then you just use those keys to unlock those new weapons. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.